Visibility control. In the previous classes, you studied how to inherit a class. That is, you create a new class from the old base class. That concept you studied. Now, all the members of the base class is actually available in the derived class. So, the derived class can access or modify any of the variable. It can access all the methods in the base classes. In similar way, some outside classes can also access the variables and method in the classes. They can easily modify, alter the variables. So we have to restrict, we have to provide some restrictions to the variables as well as methods. Which class can access or which method can access the variables as well as methods in the class. That is, in some situations, we may not like the object of a class directly alter the value of a variable or access a method. Means we have to provide some restriction on a variable as well as method for modifying or altering or accessing the variable as well as methods. We can achieve this in Java by applying some visibility modifiers to the instance variables as well as methods. The visibility modifier is also known as sometimes access modifiers. This access modifier means who can access this variable and methods. There are three types of modifiers: public, private and protected. The first one we start from public. As the name itself calls, public means any class or any methods in the class can access this member. If I create a variable or method with public visibility, that public variable or method is available within the class as well as all the other classes which is outside the class. What you have to do? You have to just put this public keyword in front of variable or method. Then that variable becomes public and then method becomes public. Now every class, we can access these variables and methods within the class as well as outside the classes. So this is the visibility given to the everybody. Means every other class can access that members. Next one is called friendly access. We know that whenever we give the public modifier to any variable, that variable is modified by all the other classes. It may be within the same package or it may be in the different package. Now first to understand what is the meaning of package here. Package is nothing but a Java's way of collecting the classes. Now we think just like a one box where we can put the classes, and these classes are of showing some similar features. Now if I imagine this is oval as a classes, we put it in a single place, it is called as a package. Like that, I can create multiple packages in Java program which contain its own classes. Like this one. Now sometimes what we'll do, some of the classes inherited from, now see, this is an example for different packages here and which contain its own classes, and some of the classes are actually inherited from classes. some classes belong to same package, some class belong to different package. This is inheritance. Now, whenever you use the public, it is available to all the classes which is in the same package, in the different package, or as well as same class. But whenever you use the friendly, the class, the member will be, or the variable will be available only within the single package. Here it is available in the same package. Now, in the last classes, whatever you created, the variables as well as methods, it's called as friendly visibility. The reason is we are not specifying any keyword like protected, public, as well as private. No keyword is specified, so all that members becomes friendly classes, which is available in the classes of same package. Now the next one is called as protected access. In the protected access specifier, here the data is available in the classes of all the classes in the same package, as well as the subclasses in the same as well as other package. Here, if you create any variable with protected access, that variable will be accessed by any of this class, as well as the subclass of other package. That is called as protected. Private access. Here actually the protected access is actually the between of friendly and public. It's a visibility between friendly and public. The next one is called as private access. Private means only within the class. If you create a class with a variable private, that variable will be available or accessed within the class, not outside the class. Okay, such variables or such members is not inherited by any subclasses. If you create a new class, this one, this private variable is not available in the derived class. Here it is not available. Imagine you have one variable which is not having any private visibility, maybe public, maybe friendly. Now you access that variable here and you try to make it private. Some variables which is not a private here, and to try to convert it to or override into private. It is not possible. You cannot make that variable private here. Okay, that is called as private access. Private protected is actually between protected and private, because it contains the both keywords private and protected, so it is visibility is between private and protected. What is the meaning of private protected here? It is available to only the subclasses, the variables which is available to. Here I am taking the example variable. We may consider the method also. If I give a private protected visibility to any variable or method, that member is available to only the subclasses. Here it can access by this class or this class, not from other classes. It may be belonging to same package or maybe different package, available in the same class, same subclasses. Now this is called as private protected access. This can be explained by this table. Now this table contains access modifier in the column section, and access location means where I can access that member is mentioned in the here row section. Now I am taking the example of here variable and make that variable public. Then who can access that variable? Actually, whenever you make any variable public, it can be accessed from every other classes. Same class. Okay, now this is called as the same class. Now see, what is the meaning of here? Public. All the classes. If here it contains one variable, and that variable is actually public, and this variable can be accessed from all the other classes in the package or well as other packages. So that is called public. Protected means only it is available in the subclasses. Okay, and the classes belonging to same package. Now see here, all are here. Yes, yes, yes. That is the indication of same class. Subclass in the same package is the subclass in the same package. Other classes in the same package. Now these are the other classes in the same package. Subclass in the other package. Now these are the this is the subclass in the other package and non-subclasses in other packages. All these are the other subclasses in the non-subclasses in the other packages. Now if you use the protected, it can be accessed from this one as well as this subclass. Friendly means only available in the same package, only available here only. All the classes can access this one, but belong to same package. Private protected means belonging to same package, belonging to subclasses. It's belong to subclasses in the same package as well as another package, but it should be subclass of the package. Subclass of the class. Private means it's available only within the class, not outside the class. Private means only available in this class, not outside. That is called as private visibility.